Welcome to the Duda Experts Education Series, brought to you by the Duda Solutions Partners here at Fix8 Media. Today we're going to talk about the Media Manager. To begin, we want to make sure that you're logged into your website and in the editor, and we're going to go over to the left sidebar. There we're going to choose on Content. At the very top you'll see Media Manager. We're going to then click Media Manager. The Media Manager now loads. And as you can see at the top, we have our images, videos, audio, and files housed here. So you can think of this as the repository on your website for all of these media assets. Up here on the left, you can of course search. Your next option is to upload images directly from your computer. Next, we have the option to import images from a website or from different social media options, Facebook, Dropbox, Google Drive, etc. Clicking on Free Images will expose a completely royalty-free library. These are royalty-free for use on your website, of course. Down under Site Images, this is where we're going to have all the images that we've uploaded into the site. Right below, we have the option to add folders, and you can name and add as many folders as you like to drag and drop or select and move images into folders for greater organization. That is the image section of the Media Manager. Next up, we have the video section, which is almost identical. First, the option to upload videos. Next, the option to access a free library of videos, as well as the option to create some more folders. Audio files, relatively the same, as well as files for download. So files that you link to be downloaded off of your website will always end up back here in the file section of the Media Manager. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks from the Fix8 Duda experts.